Welcome back to Tech24, your ultimate destination for the latest in technology and gadgets. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our future content. Today, we're diving into the powerhouse that is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a device that aims to redefine the boundaries of smartphone capabilities with its array of cutting-edge features. So, grab your tech enthusiasm and let's explore what makes the S24 Ultra stand out in the crowded smartphone market. At a staggering price point of $1,249, the S24 Ultra positions itself as a premium device, maintaining the cost of its predecessor while adding more value in other regions. This titan of technology is wrapped in a sleek titanium body, offering a more durable and grip-friendly experience compared to its forerunners. With a design that only subtly diverges from previous models, the S24 Ultra introduces a flat screen bordered by titanium edges and Corning's latest Gorilla Armor glass, promising reduced glare and enhanced durability. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, boasting significant improvements in speed, graphics, and power efficiency. This phone doesn't just perform, it excels, handling everything from gaming to multitasking with ease. Battery life is another area where the S24 Ultra shines, lasting up to 60 hours on a single charge, making it one of the longest-lasting phones tested. For those who appreciate sustainability, the S24 Ultra incorporates recycled materials into its construction and offers a repairable design, with screen repairs priced at about $270. Adding to its appeal is the beloved S Pen stylus, tucked neatly into the phone's bottom, perfect for quick notes or document editing. The software experience on the S24 Ultra is enriched with Samsung's One UI 6.1, based on Android 14, promising 7 years of software and security updates. But the real buzz around this device comes from its AI capabilities. From AI-powered wallpapers to language translation and email style adjustments, Samsung has integrated AI across the board. However, not all features hit the mark, with some appearing to play catch-up rather than leading innovation. Photography enthusiasts will be thrilled with the S24 Ultra's camera setup, which includes a new 50MP 5x telephoto lens alongside the existing 200MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP 3x telephoto lenses. This makes the S24 Ultra's camera system one of the most versatile and capable on any smartphone. Despite its prowess, the S24 Ultra is not without its drawbacks. It's a massive, heavy device with a price tag that will make many wallets weep. And while the AI features add a layer of modernity, they may not be compelling enough to justify the purchase on their own. However, for those seeking the pinnacle of smartphone performance and capability, the S24 Ultra is a formidable contender, offering a blend of power, innovation, and longevity that's hard to match. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a testament to Samsung's commitment to pushing the envelope of what's possible in a smartphone. It's an iterative upgrade that solidifies its place at the top, albeit at a significant cost. Whether it's the expansive screen, the robust camera system, or the promise of long-term software support, the S24 Ultra is designed to meet the needs of the most demanding users. That's all for our review of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. What are your thoughts on Samsung's latest flagship? Is it worth the premium price, or are there features you feel are missing? Drop your comments below, we'd love to hear your opinions. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of technology with Tech24.